Hi, my name is Rajkumar Pamal. I'm just finishing up my second year at Harvard University, studying history of science with a secondary field of global health and health policy. And today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about my research that I conducted last summer in India. So I'm very interested in global health and health policy, and going into the summer after my freshman year of college, I wanted to do something involved with combining my passion for medicine with global health and health policy. So I applied for a Harvard Global Health Institute internship working under Professor Christopher Duggan from Harvard School of Public Health. And I conducted a research project based on micronutrient supplementation in India. So essentially the project was based on the idea that in India many people, specifically women and especially pregnant women, have iron deficiency or a lack of iron. And this leads to debilitating health effects. So the Indian government, in response, has instituted a policy saying that every pregnant mother should be supplemented X amount of iron, and this is a requirement. Now, although that may seem like a positive action or policy to take on behalf of the Indian government, this actually may lead to harmful effects because regardless of how much iron there is initially in the pregnant woman's system, we're supplementing them with iron. So too much iron might actually be harmful for both the mother and the fetus or the baby. So this is where my research comes into play. I basically went into a South Indian town and utilized the blood samples that were available in research labs of a cohort of pregnant women from South Asia. And I tested different levels of oxidative stress. And what that means is the different amount of oxygen that causes harm on the body based on having too much or too little iron. And although I don't have full results right now, we have trends that lead us to believe that this policy in India might actually be more harmful than beneficial. So the next steps would be to take our data, increase the amount of significance by increasing the sample size, and then publishing a cohesive report that we can give to the Indian government to hopefully enact some positive policy change. And I think I learned a great deal from this experience. It's definitely helped solidify my interest in a career in medicine, and one that impacts health policy so that populations can be affected as well as individuals. And I'll take that experience with me as I move through Harvard and hopefully pursue medical school. Another interesting note is that I took a course at Harvard called SLS 19.